And here we have it, the blue Mercedes. 1981, 300 SD, blew a piston, blew a rod. Here's the badass Mercedes 300 SD. Again, I've made surfboards, paintings, tore apart a motorcycle once and didn't have much luck. And yeah, took an oil pan off my Nissan truck last week. Put it back on and felt pretty good about that. He blew a cylinder, but still a beast. Only 200,000 miles. It's got a lot of life in it. Hopefully I don't sabotage that. I've already taken the cam cover off. The handheld, I can work with that. So I think what's next is I'm going to pull off this air filter so that we can get to the intake and also the turbo. Probably pull off this radiator fuse, and then I'm going to take a look at this fuel body over here, this fuel housing. So I think I've got the fuel pump under there. I'm not exactly sure what everything is. I know the oil filter's back there. I popped the lid back on, but I haven't really tightened it down. Anyways, so that's there, and yeah, so we've got the cam cover off. Thinking that might have been a bad idea, but at the same time, it was fun. Cool.
Thanks for joining us.